Hello buddy, today we're going to be looking at this very nice old Gardco lighting. 250 watt high pressure sodium / metal halide shoebox parking lot fixture. Now the reason why I said metal halide along with high pressure sodium is that even though this fixture only operates 250 watt high pressure sodium S50 bulbs, which you can see a label of right there. Let me go ahead and focus it in so you can see it better. So there you go. So even though it only operates 250 watt high pressure sodium S50 lamps, I have a metal halide conversion lamp that actually runs on that ballast. So as you can see, it's made by Standard, and I already made a video of this lamp already back in September of 2020, which was 8 months ago. So yeah, so even though I already made a video of this lamp again, I'm going to use it in this video to make it operate this fixture. So even though it operates 250 watt high pressure sodium, think again, because it can operate 250 watt metal halide conversion lamps. So that's pretty cool. So anyways, this is going to be an overview of what this fixture looks like and when I got the fixture and let it turn on and all. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and move this metal halide conversion lamp to the side here so I can actually open up the door to this fixture, which is actually held by a couple of latches which are spring loaded. So I just have to do this. And I was actually able to open the door with one hand, which is actually a surprise, because normally you have to use two hands to open the door up. So here's the inside of the door. As you can see, very dirty. You can see all the weather stripping and all that. And you can see some parts of the reflector, so it reflects all that light onto the ground if this was built in, installed in a parking lot, which I don't think that is going to happen right now because, you know, they're being changed to LEDs, which is kind of sad to me. So I'm just trying to hunt down a lot of HID light fixtures before they go extinct and all. So I don't think that's going to happen for like another 10 or 20 years or something like that. So anywho, this little metal part here is where you can switch the voltages on the ballast. So the ballast, if I remember correctly, is made by Advanced Lighting Incorporation. So pretty cool. Actually, sorry, it's made by Advanced Transformers Incorporation. Excuse me. So it was originally hooked up for 277 volts, but I switched it to 120, and this thing works perfectly. So it has a oil-filled capacitor, if I remember, and also a very nice metal igniter as well, which are all grounded because this fixture is made of aluminum, and aluminum can conduct electricity, which is pretty insane. So copper is actually the best electricity inductor. So there you go with that. And as you can see, here is the logo of the company, which is right down here. So I'm going to focus it in so you can see it's made by Gardco Lighting. So there you go. If you want to read, pause now. Let's move on. You can see this was originally 277 volts. It was hooked up for 0.2 amps, 60 hertz. So there's some instructions about how to replace the ballast in case if the ballast burns out. So I don't plan on replacing the ballast since it makes a good amount of noise, so that's why. And this bulb here is actually original to the fixture when I got it, and I also forgot to mention that I got this parking lot fixture at a restore in Tempe, Arizona for $4. So it was actually quite cheap for this fixture, if I say so myself. And I got it in August of 2019, which was so long ago. I got it a year and 9 months ago, so wow. So long ago. So, yeah, that is pretty much what I have to say about that. Here's the back of it. I know this might be a stupid idea, but you can't even see anything because it is completely dark in there. There's the side of the reflector, as you can see, and there you go. That was kind of a stupid idea, but whatever. So, anywho, there's the reflector, which provides all that reflection of light from the bulb. And this bulb here is, like I said, original to the fixture, and it's made by Westinghouse, and it's a 250 watt cycling high pressure sodium bulb. So this is how this video is going to work. I'm going to power up the high pressure sodium lamp first, which is original to the fixture, and then once it turns off by itself from the ballast, because the ballast cannot provide enough voltage, I'm going to turn off the fixture and then screw in the metal halide conversion lamp to test out, because this fixture can operate high pressure sodium and conversion metal halide lamps. So there you go with that. I just wanted to provide a little bit of extra information about, even though this fixture only operates 250 watt HPS lamps, it can also operate metal halide conversion lamps. So pretty cool. So that is what I have to say. So now I'm going to give you some specifications about this fixture. So this particular fixture produces 27,000 lumens, which is super bright. If the bulb, however, wasn't cycling, it would stay on. It would be so bright in here. So since this bulb here is really old, it'll produce less lumens, so it might produce around 22,000 or something like that. So yeah, it's basically, it's because of the blackness in the erg tube. It's ridiculous. So sorry if the camera wasn't in focus there. So the lifetime on the lamp is 24,000 hours. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have to say. So I don't have any else to say in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and shut the door and power this fixture and turn it on so I can actually show you that this fixture operates 250 watt high pressure sodium and also metal halide. So I'm going to try to close up the door here with one hand, which is kind of a challenge. Luckily for myself, I got it closed. So, and this fixture here, oh, sorry if my finger was in the camera there. Apologize for that. And this fixture here, this thing has a super ridiculously loud ballast. So if you're wearing any headphones, I recommend turning down your volume to like 50% of what it was before. So yeah, I'm just warning you. And if you streetlight fans are into the buzzing sounds of the ballasts, you can risk your hearing by turning it all the way up or something like that. I'm not responsible for anyone going deaf in this video, just saying. And I'm not doing this to be mean, I'm just not responsible for anyone going deaf in the video. So anyways, you're going to hear this ballast buzz quite a bit, 2 times, because I'm going to operate the S50 high pressure sodium bulb and then the metal halide conversion lamps. So now enough of me talking. Let me just point the camera right here so you can get a good view of the erg tube. And alright, so enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and turn on this high pressure sodium / metal halide shoebox parking lot fixture. Here we go. Alright, so you just saw the startup of this cycling high-pressure sodium bulb. It gave off some pretty amazing colors, like the Mercury Vapor Aqua 80X color. So now that it just reached full brightness, as you saw, it just shut off on its own because the ballast couldn't provide enough voltage. So I'm not going to turn this lamp back on, so I'm just going to go ahead and open the door up again. So let me just try to attempt to open this door back up with one hand. There we go. And now I'm going to unscrew the high-pressure sodium bulb, which is insanely hot because it produces a lot of heat when it gets older. So yeah, and I also forgot to mention that this high-pressure sodium bulb here has a very nice brass base with a glass insulator, since this bulb here is from like the 90s or something. So now I'm going to go ahead and screw in the conversion lamp, and you'll see why that this fixture also operates metal halide, even though the ballast only operates S50 high-pressure sodium bulbs. So let me just go ahead and screw this in. Make sure it's in a good position here, and so there it is in the fixture, and that's what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this one on once again, and you'll hear yet again the ballast buzzing again because the fixture produces a lot of noise. So once again, I'm going to set the camera right here where the erg tube is so you can get a good view of it. So I'm going to try to get a good focus. There we go. That's the best view it can be. So, and this bulb here produces 21,000 lumens, so it's less brighter than a high pressure sodium bulb. So So now enough me talking, let's turn on the metal halide lamp. Here we go. So the metal halide conversion lamp has reached full brightness, and as you can see by the looks of it, it's really bright in here, as you can see. So, as you can see, this is what the fixture looks like when it lights up this very nice room. So, as you can see, it's really bright. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video of this very nice, I forgot the name of it, but anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video of this very nice old custom-made, shoebox parking lot fixture that operates both metal halide and high-pressure sodium lamps. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you all very much for watching.